Arrhythmia refers to when the heart is out of rhythm. Heart murmur is completely different. It's when the valve is leaky or the heart valve is not functioning properly. With arrhythmias, patient can be completely asymptomatic, or they may feel that the heart is racing, they may feel palpitations, they may feel weak, they may feel dizzy with that. Murmur, again, patients can be asymptomatic. They can have similar presentation of weakness, dizziness, but of course the treatment would be very different.